Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint scanner on Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open our settings. Right here locate something like security or biometrics. And I think it's right there, but let's just make sure. No. Okay, so here it is, security and privacy. Now we can go for device lock. And there's a fingerprint which already confirms that this device does have it. Now let's try to locate it. And it seems that the fingerprint scanner is on the power key. So right here where I'm pointing with my index finger. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.